Hey all, good morning to one and all. I'm doing good. How you guys are doing? Please let me know in the comment section. And welcome back to it another new vlog, which is most awaited vlog. It's my favorite vlog too. Even I was waiting for this vlog. So today it's here. Guys, if you really like it, just give a big thumbs up in the end of the vlog. So here these are the clips with crystal, pearls, gold plated. Guys, this is the most popular shop for imitation jewelry and for the classical dance performance jewelry, temple idols, jhumkas, chandeliers, earrings, simple or chunky studs. They are well stocked and up to date with them all, and then some gold plated. They have got very convincing imitations of traditional South Indian designs. Nowadays, these are the trending braces for parties. Look at the imitations, guys. It's just look like gold, but it's not so. You'll be getting it for the fraction of the price of an original gold set, since it's not the actual gold. Guys, these are the most favorite of mine. They are really look like gold only, but it's not. These are jadabilis, which is with a temple design. These are the most attractive jewelry in the entrance. They've just displayed like this. These are in the third floor, and these jewelry is available with the set. Individually, if we want, also they might give, I think so, but I'm not sure. The sets are really awesome. This floor they made it very recently. Before it was only two floors. Now the second floor also there. That is only for earrings, pendants like that. Now let's have a look. Here the earrings are with the gold plated pearls, stones. Amazing guys. Just watch it. Entire shop video I could not make it because I did not find the time, and it's only 25% of the stock I'm just showing you. Remaining 75% you guys have to go there and experience it. This is not a promotion video guys, my own experience I'm just sharing with you. Most of us really like the imitation jewelry. So whatever the type, whatever the design, whether it is in a gold plated, stone, pearls, what not guys, everything is available in this only shop. This shop is a top player in the category of jewelry showrooms guys. It has a wide range of product. Of course, even you guys are watching what all the products is available inside. And the staff, no need to talk about them guys. They are very prompt at providing any assistance. They readily answer any queries which you're gonna ask regarding the designs which you needed or prices, the range which you wanted. They are ready to assist you guys. These are the beautiful studs. Again, it's with the pearls, crystals and gold plated. Here you can pay for the product or a service with ease by using any of the available modes of payment such as cash, Mastercards, debit cards or credit cards. Now I'm gonna show you most beautiful earrings. Come on guys, let's have a look. These are again with the pearls with pendant sets and very simple, and it really looks classy. This shop not only deals with the jewelry, it also deals with the cosmetics, herbal products, beauty products, etc. Oh my god, I'm really tired of watching these many varieties in only one shop. I hope you really had a great time to watch this video now guys, and here I'm tired, so I just came to have some snack and gonna enjoy my evening with this evening snack. Don't forget to share this video to your friends as well as the relatives. Definitely this video will be helpful for them who are really in need of imitation jewelry. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.